properly. Kaya ang atong kapulisan sa Cabarbaran
Let's
City.
go. We're in the plaza now.
Remember that we have our city
Going to watch the light. Look at the light. The light is beautiful.
And then akong balikon, we still have our curfew.
Lain ang video na.
Alas 8.
Sige na.
Hindi na tayo magpasulod.
So you, Papang is wearing
Kung yung hug o yan yung atong
okay. So we're going to
tamang nilabot sa mga decoration.
tour around.
No, sa mga lights at the same time, kanang mga flowers diya sa
Social
may,
distancing.
fountain. Okay? This
So now,
is
look
only
at the
for your
beautiful light
eyes.
over there.
For eyes only. Ha? Hindi na ito hawiran kaya magagaba.
Fountain. There na. Picture
So
ka
itong
na.
baliko, no, you only have 20 minutes to enjoy.
There.
Have fun.
Sa kanak. Diri ka na pwede.
Ayan na, pahinumdum gikan sa Cabarbaran City Police Station nga ang atong mga gamit atog yung ampingan, no? Sama sa cellphone, pitaka, kwarta. And then katong mga ginikanan nga nagdala og mga bata, palihog ko og atiman. Palihog, no, dili na ito pamakan ng mga bulak diya sa fountain.
The fountain.
PNP, please assess the area.
Ayaw pag-unsa ko na. Mag-vlog mo ka.
Because there's music and lights. A lot of lights. I don't like the songs. I love the lights.
Alang sa kasayuran sa tanan, nga ang PNP sa Cabarbaran na diya paligo sa inyo, ha? Kung maraming mga concern, issues, ang problema, doon lang yun. Hi!
Dito. Pali sa kwa ba? Ana, sige.
Okay, you still have 15 minutes to enjoy. 15 minutes na lang ang natitirang pagmamahal. Ayan.
Dito ka na.
Yes. You still have 15 minutes to
Sige na.
be with your
Picture.
loved ones. Sa ngalan sa atong VP sa Cabarbaran City Police Station, Police Major Renel A. Serrano, mapasalamaton kami sa tanang Cabarbaranon nga nag-follow, no, sa health protocols
So loud.
nga gimando sa IATF.
Well, I like the trees too.
Diyan na. Pam.
Akong balikon kanang mga decoration is for eyes only.
Taas una.
Bawal awiran. At the same time, kanang mga buwak diya sa fountain, bawal sad na tamakan. Okay? So natin mga kapulisan sa Cabarbaran City nga nag rubing diya sa salon, no? Kung namin concern, pwede na mo madawat sa ila. Ano, mga single pa na. Tama na lang, sir. Yes, only.
Wait a minute, those are the lights.
di man ka madungog. Kusga.
We're just gonna go walk around here.
Okay, we're going to go walk around here, show you the Christmas lights.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Favorite part.
Oh, you stand there and we're going to take picture. Wow, the Christmas tree. Over there na. Here, there. Mm. Wow, the Christmas lights, beautiful.
I like it because it's so big.
Sige, pag-una na.
Trees.
Diyan na.
Those pink are my favorite part.
Scanting
Lights of the church and the Christmas tree.
and the water, the fountain over there.
And the flowers, the glowing ones. And the trees because I want to just look at the lanterns. I like it.
Scanting.
Look at that tree. It's a small tree. Small tree and another small tree. Another small.
Yay, posing.
I just want
The
to
fountain is,
walk in
wow, look at the fountain.
Yeah, I like the fountain because there's a lot of colors.
You stand there because you need to. Wow, this is the big Christmas tree over here.
Yeah, I know that the plants look like they have lights in it, but look, the lights are fireflies.
You stand over there now.
I'm a little scared to touch.
This, na, the view there.
I like it here.
And there, beautiful. Over there. Here na. Wow.
Church is up
Here.
here.
Ya, naroon masuka lo kay. Ano ka So.
Almost there. The pink
Una.
one.
Una na. We're almost there, the pink in the pink tree.
Yes.
Sige.
Okay. I love the color pink trees because the color pink. I love them. And it looks a little bit a dark pink. That's the color one. And well, we're going to say Butter now. Butter's the dog. Just a kind one is at the top.
There na. This is the church.
Church. I like the church too because there's a lot of lights. Like the church is colored of lights. Like it's full of lights. I like that. Look how the doors are.
Then you go there. Yeah, the Christmas tree is there. Very big Christmas tree. It's very big and beautiful.
And then I love the flowers right over there. The glowing flowers.
Wow.
And the pink trees right here.
So we're going now to the pink trees.
Not pink, pink.
Pink, pink tree. Maybe we should go over there. Oh, they're not. Wow.
Not the pink trees. I love them.
Okay, talk more.
Pink trees. I like pink.
Okay, you
Take a picture.
take the picture.
There's a lot
But
of
it's not color pink here.
there.
Maybe we should stand here. This is pink tree. It's a cherry blossom tree, I think.
Mga madlang people, kung pas na po pa-picture kay 6 minutos na lang ang
Dali na.
nabigyan ninyong oras.
Here na.
Daghang salamat.
Now it's 6 minutes.
Look there. And this one is nice.
There's no leaves.
You stand there now.
Yeah.
And here. Wow.
Whoa, it's so clear if I take off my t-shirt.
Okay, you go to the.
Look at that one. Who's standing
There,
Standing.
there. And that one is very
I
beautiful.
like it first. I like it. No,
Oh,
because there's no trash
Since
anymore.
you sit there.
Because there's no more trash like before. It's a lot of trash right over there. Now it's no more.
It's
Yeah.
clean now, of course.
Huh? Like to jump around here. I love it.
Wow.
I like it there because here's the post. I love it.
You go there, Jiwan. You go there.
Let's take pictures. I want to do a video full vlog. Not talks. I love the yeah, hi there. Yeah, hi there. I love that.
Okay.
This tree right over here is so big. Cannot stop too big. I want to go home now, but it's so light here. I want to go to sleep already.
You go to the payong.
I don't know.
That umbrella over there.
Oh, yeah.
You go. Go now.
Ayan, ang oras. 2 minutes na lang.
Oh, go, go.
Ang meron. Ayan, please, palihog ko sa karang mga naka-on deck. Observan gyapon nato ang social distancing. Ayan.
Here is the
Kami
umbrella.
social distancing. Karon naman
Oh, you.
magbuwag sa mo. Okay? Paggawa sa plaza.
No, stand up na.
Ayan akong balikon dili makasulod ang walay face shield at the same time walay face mask.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Mia. Yes, yung may nagdala og bata, dili na pwede makasulod. Kaya hapit na ang curfew. Huh? Yes.
Go now.
Okay, bawal na ang bata.
Pam.
Karon kay last na ning batch.
Go, go.
Okay, pinagpala. Last na mo, ma'am.
Time to say bye now. Time is done.
Okay, atong oras. Time up. Now, prepare na mo paggawas niya sa sunod. Kaliyog ba, no? Please vacate the area kay musunod na po
I don't want to
ang
stop.
next batch. PNP. Please, paki-clearing the area.
Bawas nito.
We have to go home now. Say bye now. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. If I like button, snap that subscribe button. I like it.
Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah, bye guys. We're gonna go home now, but I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm sleepy.